All Manipur Working Journalists Union organized torch rally of 10th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2020 from Kangla today. Information and PR Minister T.H. Biswajit and Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam also took part in the rally, which concluded at Manipur Press Club. As a part of the program, gifts were presented to women journalists to honor them on the International Women's Day. Leaders across the country and the globe are calling for a gender-equal world as they celebrate achievers in different fields on International Women's Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi this morning tweeted greetings on Women's Day and wrote, "We salute the spirit and accomplishments of our Nari Shakti." Six-time world champion MC Mary Kom, 51 kg of Manipur, is one win away from securing Olympic berth after she advanced to the quarterfinals with victory of the Asian qualifiers in Amman of Jordan yesterday. Second-seeded Mary Kom produced a typical clinical performance to dismantle New Zealand's Commonwealth Games bronze winner Tasmin Veni for a 5-0 triumph. The staffers of river cruise MV Mahababu Brahmaputra and Tengal Manor Resort in Upper Assam's Jorhat have been kept in isolation to avoid spread of coronavirus. As per reports, an American tourist who was found to be infected with coronavirus had recently traveled on MV Mahababu Brahmaputra and stayed at Tengal Manor Resort in Jorhat. About 70 people were trapped yesterday after a hotel being used for coronavirus quarantine collapsed in the Chinese city of Guangzhou in Fujian province, report said. The building collapsed at about 7:30 p.m. and 34 people were rescued in the following 2 hours, report added.